Electric blanket. Blankets with heating are very popular in cold countries and beyond. The temperature is set manually, the areas can have different degrees of heating, and they can even be washed in a washing machine. Despite the huge number of benefits and the undoubted improvement in the comfort of human life, they are banned in a number of countries. The combination of flammable materials and a large amount of heat has caused concern among safety experts. And not in vain. For example, according to experts, in the UK alone, about 5,000 fires occur each year, and the main cause is the violation of safety precautions when using electric clothes. Another problem with these blankets is the risk of burning for people who are not able to feel pain or react adequately to it. That means small children, elderly people, and also people with diabetes. E-cigarettes. If you ever get annoyed that people in public places vape, that is, smoke electronic cigarettes, you will surely be happy now, because in most countries they are being banned. Electronic cigarettes have a variety of forms. Some use them to inhale nicotine and others simply smoke flavored vapor. Initially, electronic cigarettes were offered as a more harmless alternative to conventional cigarettes. It was also claimed that with the help of Wake's vapes, you can get rid of your nicotine addiction. In 2008, it was found that there is not enough evidence to say that it helps to quit smoking. Different countries forbid vapes because they create an attractive image of a smoker, which increases their popularity among non-smokers. In 2009, it was found that the nicotine contained in these cigarettes was more than it should have been. Moreover, some cigarettes were marked without nicotine, but they still had some. And although advertising companies want us to believe that electronic cigarettes are safe, in fact, no one knows if they are safe. So, do you vape? Samsung Galaxy Note 7. The phone you see on the screen was shown on August 2, 2016. The Samsung Galaxy Note 7 was officially launched on August 19th of the same year. This improved version of the previous model ran on the Android 6.0.1 OS and has a very powerful system. Despite this, users around the world experienced problems with this gadget, and in some countries, it was completely banned. So, in the US, you could find bulletins warning about the ban on the use of Galaxy Note 7. On October 11, 2016, the phone was discontinued. Samsung asked the stores to stop selling it, and users were advised to turn it off and stop using. The reason for this were multiple incidents with phone overheating, smoke coming out of it, and even fire. As it turned out, due to an error in the design of the batteries, the smartphones could not stand the power and melted right in their hands. In order to prevent such incidents in the future, Samsung introduced new procedures to control the quality of its devices. Laser pointers. As it turned out, even this absolutely safe toy can cause a car accident and even crash an entire aircraft. Laser pointers are a portable tool that can generate electromagnetic waves in a visible range in the form of a narrow beam. The rarest are green pointers. They have a wavelength in the range of 510 to 530 nanometers, which is near the maximum sensitivity of the twilight vision of a person. For this reason, the green laser beam looks brighter than others. Therefore, infrared filters should be installed in these devices. Nevertheless, cheap models often don't have them. So, if you aim at someone's eyes for a long time, you can damage their eyesight. This is just one of the reasons why the pointer is banned in many countries, or their use is severely restricted. It turns out that the ray of some powerful pointers, after hitting the eyes, can cause blindness. If this happens with a car driver or an airplane pilot, this can put in danger the lives of others. For a laser attack, you can go to jail for a couple of months or a dozen years. Fidget Spinner. Over the past few years, this toy has become frenziedly popular and spread all over the world. There is truly a huge number of different variations of this toy, with different size, color, and shape. Surprisingly, the design of some spinners can pose a potential danger to humans. We are talking about sharpened edges or protruding sharp parts, which make them look like cold steel arms. Careless handling of these spinners can lead to serious injury, and therefore it was decided to prohibit them. Spy pen. Some countries are extremely cautious about any objects that somehow can be used to spy. Here we have a pen with a built-in camera that allows you to record video and sound in superb quality. In accordance to its name, the looks of the pen don't reveal the equipment inside. The good quality of the shooting is remarkable, filming at 30 frames per second. Thus, with the help of the device, you can quietly record the actions of people, their conversations, and everything happening around. Of course, most people use the pen as a toy, and it is especially loved by spy movie fans. However, no one knows for certain how and for what purpose the device will be used. That's why, if you try to carry a pen with a built-in camera across the border of most countries, it would be confiscated. NeoCube. Here we have an educational toy, designed to develop fine motor skills, but they can also be used for stress relief. NeoCubes consist of a large number of spherical magnets that are attracted to each other and can create bizarre shapes. Most often, the toys differ in size. The diameter of the balls varies from 3 to 10 millimeters. Despite the fact that the toy looks extremely harmless, it can cause serious harm to humans. The fact is that young children tend to place the toys on their mouths, often swallowing small details. The ingestion of small details of common toys often ends up okay. However, since the magnet balls attract each other, swallowing two pieces can lead to a trauma of the internal organs. For this reason, some countries decided to ban this dangerous toy. BlackBerry. For the first time, the BlackBerry wireless communicator was introduced in 1997. The first devices looked like pagers, and today, these mobile computers are popular all over the world. Their advantages include a QWERTY keyboard that simplifies data entry, and the ability to work with files of a variety of formats. Another notable feature of BlackBerries is the high level of security. Information between devices is transmitted over encrypted channels. That's why many companies, and even officials, use BlackBerry devices to transmit sensitive data. However, high security is not an advantage for everyone. Some countries have decided to locally ban BlackBerry services. The reason is that such complex encryption does not allow law enforcement agencies and special services to intercept messages and track user activity.